right. I'm going to put you in your group now. When I call out your number, I'll tell you where you're going to be in the formation. Number 2, downstage. Number 9, upstage. Number 10, downstage. Number 121, upstage. Number 60, downstage. Here we go. Step, step, kick down, leap hands. Again, step, step, kick down, leap hands. Again, step, step, kick down, leap hands. Again, step, step, kick down, leap hands. Got it? Let's do the whole combination from the top. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 2, number 9, and number 121, you're hired. Number 10 and number 60, don't call us, we'll call you.